Greetings everybody, my name is Oscar with OQ Detailing and I'm a professional detailer, certified and skills validated with the International Detailing Association. And in today's video, we're going to go over what products work best at removing fingerprints from a Cybertruck. So we've been playing with a couple different products. We also saw a couple different videos online of things some people were trying. We also included some products we think might work as well. And basically, we're just gonna go ahead and show you guys from our testing what we think works best when it comes to removing fingerprints. So as you know, the Cybertruck is stainless steel and it's a magnet to fingerprints. Not only that, but it's very easy to get fingerprints on, especially when you're trying to open the doors. You're gonna grab the doors a lot from the sides here and different things like that. People checking it out, they might touch it and stuff like that. So we got a couple different products. And we just want to show you guys so you can see firsthand which ones might work best. Now, the stainless steel that Cybertrucks use is actually not the same as stainless steel in some appliances. Some people think that whatever works on appliances is going to work the same way in a Cybertruck, and it may work. However, it's not the same. So the stainless steel Elon Musk used is a special blend. So it's actually not like those appliances, and therefore not everything that works there is gonna work on the Cybertruck. So we got a couple different detailing supplies. First, we got Koch Pro Eraser. This is a prep product. It's basically a mixture of some cleaners, alcohol, and water. And then we got traditional Windex, which a lot of people seem to say works well. And we got another glass cleaner that's ammonia-free. Windex has ammonia. This one doesn't. Then we have a traditional detail spray, and then we have Barkeeper's Friend, and lastly we have Optimum No Rinse. Now this is a rinseless product, and all these products will be in the description if you're interested in checking them out. Okay, so Koch Pro Eraser, we're gonna go ahead and spray it and see what it does. I'm applying pretty decent pressure on this, by the way, as I'm seeing that. So Koch Pro Eraser, as you're seeing, it removed a lot of the oils from the hand, but the shadow of the handprint is still there. So I'm gonna say that's a no. I'm gonna give that a no-go. So now we're gonna try Windex. Now Windex has been the product that most people seem to agree upon that works best, or one of the ones that at least works well. So we're gonna check out how Windex works. So I'm not so convinced as I'm seeing it dry off. So Windex, it removed a lot more, but I can still see some of the tips of my fingerprints. Now, I do want to mention that these fingerprints have been on there for about an hour, which maybe, you know, many fingerprints will be there for a longer period of time. But yeah, just something I wanted to mention, because there can be many different variables that apply in our circumstance situation that might not apply in your circumstance or situation, like the environment. Here we are in an enclosed garage. If you're in this outside in the sun, these products may flash differently and therefore work differently. So something to keep in mind. Then we got Spray Away Glass Cleaner. I have good hopes and high hopes for this product. I hope it delivers. So we're gonna go ahead, work it in. And we're unfortunately getting the same result as we were with the Windex. It removed most of the finger handprint. However, the outline of the handprint is still there when you look at it in different angles. For the most part, it looks like it disappeared. For most people, that might be okay, but no, we're not satisfied. Next, we're gonna have Adam's detail spray. This is a regular detail spray. You might have something different. So we're gonna see how this detail spray works. And as I'm seeing it, it's not really working. Yeah, so not really working. Still there like pretty much every other product. Now I'm getting a little nervous because nothing is working yet. I was hoping the Windex at least gets it done, but it didn't completely remove it. So next we're gonna try Barkeeper's Friend. Now this one, this is not something I would recommend for you to remove fingerprints every time. This is and the reason why is because this has some abrasives, micro abrasives. So it's not you know, crazy or bad or anything like that, but I wouldn't want to use this every time, to be honest. We may need to though. So now we're using Barkeeper's Friend. Applying very light pressure. Just letting the cleaner do its job. And we want to make an even Steven area. Okay, as you see, this is normal with cleaners that in a way are polishers as well. They turn black. It's a natural process or byproduct. Ah, perfect. So as we're seeing here, Barkeeper's Friend seems to be the winner so far. Whatever angle I'm looking at it at is not there, the handprint. So this is so far the only product that has worked perfectly. And lastly, we're gonna try one that I personally love and use all the time, and I recommend everyone to use, whether you have a Cybertruck or not. You can use this to wash your entire vehicle if it's not too dirty, like if it's just somewhat dirty. You can use it for a glass cleaner. You can use it sometimes in the interior. You can use it as a clay lube. It's very, very useful. So we're gonna go ahead and use our rinseless wash. This is different than a waterless wash. This is a rinseless wash. And then we're gonna go ahead and work it in. Work it in. And I'm liking the results on this. Okay. Wow. Okay, wait, hold on. It's drying. Let me go ahead and clean this too, because it oversprayed a little bit. Look at that. It seems that optimum no rinse revision number 5 for the win as well. As far as I can tell, I don't see the handprint on there anymore. So this is our control area. So I want to try again the optimum no rinse, because as you can see the other ones, you can still see the handprint. Okay, so we're gonna try optimum no rinse one more time on the control area in this spot that we didn't do. And perhaps part of the trick may be letting it dwell for 5 seconds, 10 seconds before wiping it. But no, actually, as I'm seeing, optimum no rinse. That's why I love this product, man. This thing is awesome. Look at that. Just been able to pretty much, yeah, I don't see it. It's not there. Okay, so I'm gonna try one more thing. I'm gonna use Optimum No Rinse in, for example, the detail spray here area, where we can still see here. Might be difficult to catch on camera, but we're gonna try it and see how it works. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it seems that, wait, hold on. Yeah, it seems like, wait, I see one smudge still. One finger, guys. Let's apply some pressure. And I don't know, hold on. I think, yeah, I would say 95%. I think I might still see tiny bit of the one finger, but no, it's not there actually. And the beautiful thing about Optimum No Rinse as well is that literally this product is for washing your entire vehicle. So you can touch up your wheels, clean your wheels if they're not that dirty. And you can use it to wash your entire Cybertruck with it. You can use it for the glass. It's so helpful in different areas. Versatile, I should say, is what I'm looking for. So versatile. So far, this Optimum No Rinse is the cheapest. This stuff is super cheap. You diluted 256 to 1. I put a little bit higher dilution. So I would do like a 125 to 1 dilution ratio, which is kind of what I did here. And from what we tested so far, Optimum No Rinse seems to be doing a good job. At doing it. It's the cheapest of all these things. Also, Barkeeper's Friend. This is actually probably the best. However, like I said, I wouldn't want to use this every single time I have a handprint. Maybe I would do it, I don't know. I guess we'll have to just find out as we go. Because in our next video, we're actually going to ceramic coat the Cybertruck. So the question is, can you ceramic coat a Cybertruck? As you see, most people online, they've been wrapping their Cybertrucks because of the fingerprint issue. It's actually pretty big. And to be honest, as I've been playing with these products off camera, it's been very difficult to give it an even finish throughout the whole vehicle. So earlier on, Windex and this glass cleaner were working well. Right now, they didn't perform perfectly. So I don't know, maybe I need to do a second round. Let it dwell for a little bit. And but yeah, in our next video, we're gonna go ahead and ceramic coat this Cybertruck. Now, the problem is that most people online do not recommend ceramic coating the Cybertruck because the ceramic coating makes the stainless steel, it gives it a different finish, a different look to the finish. Kind of turns a little bit brownish. And the problem the issue with that is because they're using a traditional ceramic coating. Hence, this is why testing is important. A traditional ceramic coating will not, you wouldn't want to apply it to a Cybertruck. While it may repel water, it may help with the fingerprints, but it will give it a different finish that is not desired. It doesn't look good at all. And the reason, so any SiO2 or traditional ceramic coating, I would not recommend it. The ceramic coating we're going to use is a specific ceramic coating for metal. So it's a coating that works for stainless, it's for raw metals, for stainless steel. That's the one we're going to apply. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel. Again, this is Oscar with OQ Detailing. And follow us, subscribe to us, because we're going to post more content of the process and what to do, and keep you up to date, because this is one of our regular clients' truck as well. So we're gonna show everything that we've learned in our process while taking care and maintaining this Cybertruck. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.